Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic from our first chapter, that is plant life, and the topic is modified leaf. So have you ever seen some plants in which the leaves they have been changed into some other form naturally? Okay, if you have not seen, you can see the plant of pea or you can see the cactus plant. In these plants you will find modifications. Okay, you will find that the leaves they have naturally changed into some other structures. Such structures are known as modified leaves. So beta, you can see here the structure of leaves is changed in the natural way. We are not changing it, but the nature is changing. Okay, the nature is changing one form of leaf into some other modified form, and such leaves are known as modified leaf. So for example, you can see the spines in cactus and tendrils in pea plant. These spines and these tendrils, they are best example of modified leaf. Now beta, these modified leaves, they perform some special functions in the body of plant. And what are these special functions? That we are going to discuss one by one. So beta, I was telling you that these modified leaves, they perform some special functions in the body of plant, and some of the functions I have mentioned here. So one by one you can see the first function is the leaves modified into spines reduce loss of water. Okay, like in cactus you can see over the spongy stem there are presence of spines, and these spines are actually what? These are modified form of leaf. And these spines they reduce the loss of water. Beta, you know in desert plant the water availability is very poor or very low, because these plants they grow in the dry areas, and you have seen in desert there is very little amount of rain. Okay, so these plants already they are getting less water, and if there will be what? There will be simple leaf, there will be more rate of transpiration, the more water it will be coming out of the body of plant, and the plant will dry up and the plant will die. So just to reduce the loss, the leaves in cactus they are modified into spines. So for this first point, cactus is the best example. Second beta, modified leaves protect plants from animals. Now see, these modified leaves, what are they doing? Like in case of cactus, you have seen there are thorns, there are spines. So we are also afraid of touching these cactus plants. In the same way, the animals, they are afraid. They do not go closer to these plants just because of the presence of the spines. So the modified leaves, they are helping the plant to protect themselves from the animals. And the third point is, these modified leaves they help plant in climbing. For this I will give you example of pea plant. In pea plant you have seen a structure which is spring shaped, which is coiled. Okay, and this is known as tendril, and tendril helps a plant to climb. Okay, with the help of tendril, that particular plant it coils on the body of other plant and gets support. Okay, so these are the special functions which are performed by the modified leaves in the body of plants. Okay beta, now you can see this is the spongy stem. Okay, this is what? This is spongy stem. Okay, and over this spongy stem of cactus there is presence of thorns. These are spines. These are spines and these are modified leaf. In the same way, there is tendril, this spring shaped structure. This is known as tendril, and this tendril again it is modified form of leaf and it is found in pea plant. So it is cactus. This is stem of cactus, and you can see over the surface of the stem there are modified leaves which are known as spines, and these tendrils you can find in pea plant. Okay, and this tendril it helps plants to climb. Okay.